This conference will now be recorded. This conference is no longer being recorded.
What is it?
This conference will now be recorded.
Very good. Guys, what we discussed so far in networking, only in networking. What is network?
Networking is the communication between two devices.
Very good. Networking, it's a communication between two devices, network connection. Internetwork.
Communication between two devices. Interconnection between two devices.
Internetwork. Internetwork.
The internetwork means communication between two networks.
Connection of two networks. Internetworking.
So it is
Communication in different networks.
Very good. Communication between two or more different networks. What is intranet? Yesterday I told us.
local connection.
Local area network.
Yes, local area network. Local communication within the network only, not public network. Internet is global network. It's good. And what we discuss after this one? Requirements. Network requirements. What are required in the network?
NIC, sir.
NIC, media, network devices,
Devices, network
protocols,
devices, sample devices,
switch, router, modem, address, repeater,
IP address or logical address,
And
protocols.
protocols.
These are the things in a networking. Media means cables. Very good. Then what we discuss? Types.
Topologies.
Types. LAN.
LAN, MAN, WAN. LAN, MAN, MAN.
You know, this is MAN, right? And this is WAN. You know, some people are intelligent people also there. This is MAN, and so this WAN means women. Women area network. That is MAN area network. If I teach like that, if I teach like that, you will get confused. Definitely, you will tell in interview. Same thing. Interview will die. Yeah. After this one, what we discuss? I forget.
Different kind topologies.
Physical topologies. Topologies. Tell me first topology. Bus.
Ring topology, star topology, mesh topology, mesh and star.
Why I put a star in a last? It does not mean star came last. Okay, we no need to go for checking the test book, which was the last. But remember, the star is the network we are using currently. 1 second. Okay, sir. So topologies we learn. Devices.
hybrid or
What happened?
Hybrid, sir. Hybrid. It is also one type of topology.
Okay, sure. 1 second. Tell me spelling. Hybrid.
HYBRID. Yes,
Hybrid. You are telling hybrid?
yes, sir.
Yeah, hybrid. Okay, okay. Okay, usually a hybrid means it is a full mesh topology. We call it as a hybrid. Combination of one or two, usually like star plus mesh, we full mesh topology. It is a hybrid topology. Okay, that's it. So that is generally what topologies we are using in the network. Star topology only. Star topology only. What is star topology? There is a device, hub, switch, or router also. We can say router is also one part, but it is like a one router is connected to multiple devices also there. So hub or a switch generally in a LAN network, hub or a switch connected to multiple device through hub or a switch only. Okay, so that is a star topology. Hybrid is a combination. So when I said hybrid again, people say hybrid and you have to explain the hybrid. Hybrid, remember hybrid is also there. I'm not typing there, that's it. Devices used in networking.
Modem, routers,
First one.
Hub.
Hub.
Repeater, bridge, switch, and router.
Bridge, switch, router, modem.
Why I given a gap means don't include modem when you are telling devices used in a thing. So important devices, main important device in general I'm telling. Hub, just tell hub only. Don't say hub. Repeater. If they ask repeater, then good, put it. Or maybe they are expecting something extra, then only we can add extra things. Switch, router. Hub, switch, router. 3. Okay. Next, if they are waiting, tell them modem. What is modem? Okay, or a repeater or a bridge. Okay, like that.
So what can be the practical example of a software router?
Software router. Um, um, Servers, Windows servers, Linux servers. They're having a NICs. We bridge the NICs or we put the routing service in that one. Like in Windows, Microsoft Windows server, there is a service called actually we use for a VPN purpose, that is routing and remote access. Routing and remote access. Okay. So routing and remote access service, using that one, in the first part is routing, right? So you can use a LAN routing. So for routing purpose, proxy servers. Proxy servers like a external network to internal network. So usually proxy servers. So normal machine, we install a proxy application, then become a proxy servers. Like that we can say software routers. But don't at the time of what is router, tell about what is router only. Don't tell a software router, hardware router kind of stuff until unless you know it.
All right.
Okay, hardware routers. Anyway, you ask question because it is a possible that they may ask a question, right? So we should know it. So we cannot avoid the things. So Windows servers, routing and remote access, using that one routing part, we can do routing. It's just, it is a server or application. Okay, it is a machine, normal computer. It's a computer. Either you use a Windows servers with the services, or maybe you use an application like a proxy type of application or routing application may use for that one. Okay, so in a Linux also we can do bridging, so then we can achieve this routing part. Okay, we can configure root also. How to check the routing table in Windows machine? How to check routing table? Root command is there. Root print command. Remember? Okay. So root print command we are checking. Like that, we can create root between two NICs. Actually, I will write here or update here. So we can create root between two NICs, two or more NICs. Okay, so understand this one. So I'll put a not required paint here. I'll drawing tables are there. Understand this one. This is a machine. White is black in color. I like different colors. Randomly it is selecting colors. Okay. Okay. So this is a my machine. Machine means computer. I have two NICs for example. Okay. So this is connected to a network and this is connected to a network. Here I use a routing service and I tell route between these NICs, means this network to this network. So this Windows server is a software, right? Operating system with certain services. It act like a router. It act like a router. That's it. The function is as a router. That's it. Proxy servers. Anybody? What is proxy server?
It carries the same address as like proxy means duplicate one, sir.
Okay.
Proxy.
I will tell a very easy example. Last time I found this example while I try to explain the proxy. I think everybody seen one movie.
Gateway between user and internet.
Hmm?
The proxy is Indonesia game, sir.
One person, someone said gateway something.
Gateway between user and the internet, sir.
Yes, very good.
Yeah,
Exactly.
same.
Gateway means there is intermediate between your internet, means public access to local access. It is stand in between that one. Okay. So proxy is means example. I said an example, right? Have you seen Bajrangi Bhaijaan movie? Bajrangi Bhaijaan movie. Everybody knows, right? If you don't know, so
No.
better to watch once.
Yes, sir.
The story
Oh,
given
yes, sir.
by Rajmouli father only. Okay. So see, here it is. He crossed the Pakistan border, right? He is
Yes.
here with the kid, and this is Pakistan, and this is India, right? How he cross? This is a border completely blocked, right? But there is a loophole, trench, right? Like this. There is a loop. He go inside and he go like this, right? Like this. This is what proxy in other terms. So not in good terms, but there is a loop, so you can go inside. That is called one side of proxy part. Okay, so
Like
our understanding,
loophole.
like a loophole. It's not a loophole. There is another part of way. It's right for hackers. Proxy means this one, like VPN connections. If you cannot able to download a torrents, they said use our VPN to access US based media or servers or torrents kind of stuff. So how it is possible? In India, we block the torrents, but there is some way. So one channel to get in to other side. So that is one side of proxy. So as first you guys said, that is a correct one. This is my internet. I'm getting internet. Okay, I'm getting internet. So like a internet symbol. Okay, this is internet from outside to our environment, right? So what happened? This is a proxy server connected to internet, and proxy server has normally we can say this proxy server. For our understanding, I'm dividing like this: two NICs, for example, NIC 1, NIC 2. The first one is connected to internet, next one is connected to LAN. Okay, like this. I have a computers. Okay, I have a computers. Okay, this computer want to access internet. They will access internet, but through this server only. This server only. What is this server will do? It will block entire network. Actually, it block entire network. As like I said, Bajrangi Bhaijaan, it block entire network. Okay, it block entire network, and it will we create some rules like this website can access. For example, Gmail can access, Yahoo Mail can access, company mail can able to access, or company website we can able to access, or a particular server we can able to access. For example, my server is in Delhi, or maybe my server is in Hyderabad. So I can access that server. Only we put a rule, we put a list. As per the list, those domains, those IP addresses we can access. Other than that one, you can't access. For example, I open Facebook, no access. I was open something Amazon.com, no access. Prime.com, Netflix, like that, no access. I'll give only certain websites or certain IP addresses for access purpose only. For example, Gmail is accessible. For example, it's a common mail communication for most of the people, right? So here I open Gmail. Request go to proxy server. Verify which one you open. Gmail. Okay, yellow. Go outside, and you will access the Gmail. Here I open a Facebook. Request go to proxy. Verify Facebook is there. No, block it. No access. Okay. Here I open something Savantis.com. It's a company mail. Savantis.com is a company mail. Access as per the list. Okay. So this is called a proxy. Proxy is not a software router, but it's connecting two networks, right? So it is internet and this one. But proxy is not exactly a, you can't say a software router, but understand proxy is also important. There's a few settings are there, so we should not, better not to put it. But I will cross it and I will put here. Better to know about basic things of proxy, because the word will come again and again. Got the point? Proxy server means exactly gateway between user or a network. Internet. Proxy way, it allow only allow only a certain network or domains, IP address or networks, domains as per list. So based on the list, it will allow a particular IP address or a network or like that. So incoming, outgoing traffic also it will do it. Next one is firewall. What is firewall? When proxy or firewall, it is when you, what is firewall question came, obviously proxy also will come up. VPN, firewall, proxy, these are a common things, common in a network. What is firewall?
Basically, it is a software for protection of the system.
Very good.
Security purpose.
So what it will do?
And monitors incoming and outgoing network.
Monitors. Good. Incoming and outgoing network. Good. Simple. I will tell. Correct. It is a first system. Normally, you have a network like this is entire big network. You have PCs are there. Each PC we can't provide a security, right? Each PC we can't provide a security, and these are all in a LAN network. So LAN no problem generally. Okay. So when you are connected to internet, you will send a packets to out, and you will get a packets from outside to inside, right? So both are there, right? So you'll send a packet and you receive a packet also, right? Okay, so we can send, we can receive the packets, but sometimes someone try to enter into your network on their way. Very simple. No, it's like, not like that. Normally, normal network. So I will go with the normal network. So very simple. Our general part. See here it is. When you send a request, okay, from your PC to your switch and then router, request go outside. For example, you open a Gmail. Request go to your router to finally through internet, ISP to cross, and finally you reach a Gmail server, right? You reach a Gmail server. Now Gmail server receive your request and it will reply to you. Finally, you receive a reply from Gmail. What are the requests it is? If you open a facebook.com, request go to your router go to facebook.com, and facebook.com check your request and you will give the page. This is what happens in generally. Okay, but someone is there in the network, maybe a Google, maybe a Gmail, or maybe Facebook, or maybe Yahoo, or someone in the internet, someone outside of my network directly want to send a packet or a page or maybe a something like packet, they want to send it. Everything is a packet here. So someone directly want to send it, but I will change the color again. This is want to send a packet directly which you are not requested. See, I open a page. Okay, I open a page. Maybe I open a YouTube. Then only YouTube is giving me a data. Without open YouTube, it's not giving any data, right? So it is not providing any data without open, right? Like that, you send a request, so then only you will get reply. Your firewall will verify that information, whether you are asking for a connection or not. The first basic thing is in a firewall. If you are sending a request, are you get based on that only you are getting this packet or not? That's it. Second one is it won't allow anonymous incoming packets. It won't allow any anonymous incoming packets from outside to inside. It won't allow anyone. You can go out, take it, and come out. This is one. If you go, you can come. For example, we in India, for example, you want to go to America, take a passport and visa, go to America. You can come to India, but someone in from America, then they want to enter into India without our permission. We won't allow, right? So that's very simplest thing. Like that one. So one is for each and every PC. We can't able to protect it. So in organization they use a hardware firewall, software based firewalls. They are using this one. It will filter the traffic. It filter the traffic. So incoming and outgoing data based on the firewall rules only it will work. So in the firewall you can make it as a proxy also possible. Using firewall you can create a VPN also possible. But important thing is firewall means it won't allow any anonymous packets from outside. It's only allow if user is request some website, accessing website, and if he is getting a reply from that website only is allow. Okay, it will allow if you are going outside, it allows, and as well as filter the traffic. And also it will put a filtering technique. Filtering means it allow only few networks only. It will allow only certain networks. So it will filter enter traffic incoming outgoing packets to verify incoming outgoing packets. So the monitor is also one the word we can use it. It monitor incoming outgoing traffic, any anonymous not allowed packets or servers systems is there, it stop it. Okay, so it is in an organization as I said, but you have a personal laptop. You have a personal laptop. For example, you are connected to a unprotected places. For example, coffee days, airports, hotels, public, pure public internet access, railway stations nowadays. Wi-Fi password is available. Like you went to MACD, okay, like this Pizza Hut. If you go there, coffee shops, coffee days. If you go there, what they will do, they will give you barista. So they will give you Wi-Fi password for half an hour. Wi-Fi password or 1 hour free Wi-Fi's are available. When you connect, it is a very publicly are exposing. Okay, you are present. Very good. Thank you. Okay, so what I'm saying is when you are exposed directly to the public, is usually you will get a lot of incoming traffic without your accessing, okay, to your PC. So to protect it, Windows, Microsoft Windows, giving a firewall. So as you said, like yeah, that is also correct answer. You have a Windows machine or Windows 10 or Windows 8 or Windows 7, Windows XP. It started Windows XP Service Pack 2 software firewall is there along with your operating system. A software firewall is there. Whenever you connect a public networks mainly, so to check the anonymous packet, to check the traffic, incoming and outgoing traffic, and to protect our system from attacks, Okay, so this firewall is very helpful. Okay, next, I told very big sentences are light. Okay, that is a firewall. Anything, guys? Firewall related or understand, not understand? May I explain it again?
No, sir.
Done, sir.
Okay, so firewall, two ways we can think. One is software firewall. That means it comes with your operating system. When you connect in a public, to protect your system from any external attacks. From external attacks, the firewall will protect your system from any external attacks. Mainly when you are connecting in a public, the software firewall is useful. When you are in an organization, means you have 1,000 computers are there in a one organization. So to protect all the systems, all entire systems in the organization, they use a separate firewall. So if your software firewall is enable or disable, no problem if you are in a organization, because whole organization, one firewall will be there. So that will filter the traffics from any external access. Okay, from outside to inside packets, it will check it. Okay, so whether it is allowed or not allowed. So that is called a firewall. So hardware firewall or a private firewall or a whole organization firewall, when incoming of internet, when you are connecting internet, this is internet coming, that time only they put a firewall. So this will filter the traffic incoming and outgoing. Okay, so this is for whole organization, whole LAN or a whole floor or maybe a building. So the firewall will verify. Using currently using firewall devices. Okay, current firewall devices. So we can create a VPN proxy servers also. You can buy firewall also if you like. You can buy a firewall also, but you have to learn how to create a rules in the firewall. Okay. Next firewall I told software firewall. Software firewall means it's a software, inbuilt software from your operating system only. So any incoming and outgoing traffics when you are connected to the network, so it will verify it is allowed, not allowed part. Okay, very simple to understand. So don't go with all whole story and so two type of firewalls: software and whole organization protect. Either it is software or hardware firewall. It is Cisco firewall is there. So many firewalls are there. Okay. For Windows XP onwards, XP Service Pack 2, we getting a software firewall. And firewall also use it to protect access. Different things are in a firewall also there. Application base. For example, you install a Java. If you open any Java application, immediately to ask Java access, public network access allowed or not allowed kind of stuff. Your application is connected to update for update or any other things also there. What we discuss again, I jump to software router as you ask question. So this is hardware routers. Are different hardware routers are there, Cisco like that. It is a hardware device. Internally, the program is there. So routing related program, that is hardware program. It is a normal operating system only. Proxy server, firewall. That's it. Yeah, we not finish what we finished yesterday. NIC, MAC address, Okay. Once we finish, I will give you a break. This one, guys. So please don't worry. What is NIC?
The network interference card.
Network interface card. Very good. Also called as
LAN card,
hmm,
Ethernet card,
Ethernet card.
Ethernet card. Next, what is Ethernet? Ethernet is NIC, of course. One question is there, common question. What is the difference between Ethernet and Internet? Can I put question here?
Connecting computers together in a local area network.
Very good. Ethernet is a physical device. It is a network interface card connecting device to network. Very good. Connecting a device to network, which is useful NIC only. So that is one of the model is Ethernet. It's a physical entity. Internet is a concept. It's a whole world networks of network connected together become a internet, right? Public. So like that. This is a very small questions, but it's a general questions. Intranet, internet, Ethernet, internet. Types of Ethernets generally. Oh shit.